For you first time buyers out there, I have a question for you. Are you aware that there are mortgage products out there where you don't need to put down a deposit, so also known as 100% mortgages? My name's Esther Barnes, I'm an independent mortgage advisor, and in this video I want to run through the main pros and cons of this type of mortgage. So let's start with the benefits, so the pros. So the obvious one is you'll be able to purchase your dream home a lot sooner than if you were taking years to save up for a deposit. So it means that you can get on the property ladder a lot sooner, and you're building equity in the property a lot sooner as well. So you're benefiting from any market appreciations. You can also act quickly, so and benefit from low interest rates, really good mortgage interest rates, or a favourable property market as well. So you're not potentially missing opportunities there. So the next things to consider are the downsides of this type of product, the cons. So lending criteria and eligibility can be a lot more complex and more restrictive, and it can change over time as well. So for example, one particular lender, one particular product requires you to have been renting for a minimum of 12 months and to be able to prove that as well. Another type of product allows a family member who might not necessarily want to gift you the deposit and obviously not get it back. This allows them to lend it to you, but it is restricted to, it's a specific percentage, it needs to be 10% of the purchase price. And also the monies need to be held with the bank or lender for a minimum period of time. So in a savings account with them for a minimum period of time, usually 5 years. So there's those restrictive issues. There's lots of other things as well to be aware of. That's just a couple of examples. The other thing is you are more susceptible to negative equity. So it's a higher risk of negative equity. Negative equity is when the property value is actually less than the outstanding mortgage balance, which is obviously not ideal, particularly if you want to sell the property, of course. The other thing is this type of product, generally the interest rates are higher because the lender is taking more risk. So the repayments are going to be higher, so affordability might be an issue with this. And the other thing is you must have a strong credit score and a clean credit history as well. So to conclude, the 100% mortgages are really, really helpful, particularly for first-time buyers wanting to get on the property ladder a lot quicker and just find the saving for a deposit really, really, difficult and it's taking far too long. But there are things to consider. You must do your own research, and for this type of lending particularly, it's a good idea to contact an independent mortgage advisor such as myself to get guidance on this type of product. So if you found this video valuable and helpful, then please make sure that you subscribe to receive notifications on further videos, or like or follow me, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.